Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to set up Angular CLI in our desktop. But before that we will see Node.js. We will first install Node.js because it includes npm that we will be gonna needing in the later section of videos for installing some extra libraries and also for installing Angular CLI. So let's go to official website of Node.js. Then we will install Node.js. There will be different installer files for different desktop versions. So we will download Windows 64-bit version. It'll take some time depending upon your internet connection. Let's wait for some time, and after when it will be downloaded, properly install it. After installing Node.js, let's open cmd to check whether it's properly installed or not. So let me first zoom it so that you can see properly. Now write node and then -v for checking version of node, and we can also check for npm. Similarly, it'll give you the version of npm node package manager, so it's giving 6.9.0. now what we are going to do is we will write npm install -g, that means global, then @angular /cli, which will install Angular CLI, which will help us to make Angular projects easily. Okay, so it'll take some time. Let's wait for it. Now you can see Angular CLI is properly installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new project using Angular CLI. But before that, let's set some path where we will want all our files. So let's go to desktop, then make a new folder of any name. So go to that folder, and then we're going to write this command which will make automatically all the configuration files for Angular project that we will be gonna be needing. So write this command ng new, and then you can give any name to your project. We are giving right now tmdb movie app because we are gonna make in the later section of videos this app while learning Angular. So it'll take some time depending upon your internet connection as well as computer processor speed. Okay, so let's wait for some time. So it is asking whether you want Angular routing, so type yes, and then also we can choose what style sheet format we want. So we are choosing CSS. So it'll automatically create all these configuration files. As you can see here, these all configuration files are automatically added. Let's wait for some time. It'll take probably more time in my computer because it's kind of slow. So let's wait. So yeah, now it's finally installed. It will finally add git to my project. So in the next video we will see how to open it using VS Code. So stay tuned guys and subscribe. Thanks.